Hi, I'm Deli Dun, and today I'm trying out a very cute and easy way to make watercolor flowers. All you need are watercolors and a black pen. First, make a bunch of little watercolor shapes in whatever colors you like. I use circles, lines, clusters of dots, teardrop shapes, and little cloud-like shapes. Let them dry before the next step. Next, with your black pen, draw lines down from each of the shapes. If they're a little bit wiggly, it's fine. It adds to the charm. Add the leaves, and you can add little triangles or circles where the stem meets a flower if you want to get a little fancy. I decided to dab a little paint on the leaves after I drew them, but honestly, they look cute without it too. I love the doodle vibes, and it was a super quick project. It took about 30 minutes, and I used a fairly big piece of paper. Painting it on a postcard size paper would be even faster and make a lovely gift. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more art. Bye!